Hello, here I have here PS Vita that handling some GPU error. So if you can see, guys, it's already GPU detected, drivers detected, GPU crash. So it's dumping right now, and it will shut off. If you can see, guys. So I have here the PS Vita. This PS Vita I already battery mod this one. I turned it to 4000 milliamp hour. I 5000 I think. Yeah, 5000 milliamp, but the capacity of that battery is already, I think, 4000 milliamps already been degraded because I already used that one. Came from power bank. So if you can see, it GPU crash on the games. What I call it? FIFA 2014. So I have here FIFA 2014. Yeah, it's already shut down, and I just need to remove this thing. And we try to open this one. So it's open. And it will, there we go. There's a problem occurred to the last time, so the system used and did not properly correctly. Okay, we try it again if we can get that thing. Sometimes this one is GPU error even just only in this XMB, even just only browsing this one. Sometimes it's cause GPU error, but sometimes not. So okay, here's the place FIFA 2014. Let's try to run this one. Let's see if the error is gonna happen again. So we'll put this aside first and we will wait. So bought a replacement motherboard on this one because I'm irritated. I cannot play games on this thing. This one has already been jailbroken, but I remove all the homebrew apps on this thing, so no one I cannot play any backup games on this one because I already removed it because it's just getting irritated that this one is gonna be a GPU error. So I have here the replacement, but the replacement of this thing is for they gave me the only available on the store that I bought is just only the 3G model with the 3G module, because this one is just only the Wi-Fi. So Steam is running right now. You can see. Let's try to try an exhibition in here, and we will wait. So first we need to open this one, so let's put it on the side. This one just only paying for this one. There we go. If you can see, it's just GPU error. Yeah, GPU driver detected, GPU crash. Yeah, that's you can see. Yeah, I need to replace the motherboard right now on this thing because I'm irritated. I cannot play games on this one. So now I have here the replacement. So we need to open this one, and this is a 3G. So they call it here a 3G Wi-Fi US version, a PS Vita 1000 board. So try to open if this one is the one that gave it to me. And there you go. There's the motherboard. So okay. And there it is. There is the motherboard. You can see there is so many dirts. I don't know what this one. So I think things seems okay. So here they gave the 3G version, but no GSM module. Yeah, there's no GSM module on this one. So just a thumbs up on here. Okay, seems this is the motherboard already. Let's see on the pin. Seems the pin is okay or not. Yeah. The pin is like the odd. Let's see in my PS Vita. Okay, this is the pin. Yeah, my pin is still been flashed, but this one is the pin is being lifted. I don't know. Yeah, the pin is being lifted. I hope this one is gonna work. So seems they put here. Yeah, they put logo here that's stamp. And but the problem of this thing is putting on this PS Vita, because this PS Vita is already been battery modded, and the battery is so large that I think this one it will hit this socket. What do you call it? The socket. This is a SATA socket, I think. Yeah. I think this one is gonna be hit. I don't know. We will test this one first, and we will see if this one is working or not. And also, if you try to open this one, we will check this motherboard if it has an multiple error, because the PS Vita has a feature that if you can see if the oh my god, it's gonna format again because damn it. Let's move that thing. PS Vita has a feature if the system is suffering from bad motherboard or bad GPU, because the PS Vita has an on the settings, it has an on the system, you can see, let's go to the system, it has an error history. So the error I have, that one is this one. Yeah, this one. So if you buy a second-hand PS Vita, make sure that this error will not appear to you. This one, it's okay if you have this error, the memory card error. Yeah, the memory card insert, that's been okay. And also this mount, I think this one is the mount, failed to mount for the memory card. That's it, because that one has been, I don't know, the communication is L. But if you encounter this error that the problem occur on the last system, the message, it might be the GPU is dying already. So a lot of this is in from Korean, because this is one in the Korean version. I came from Korea. I don't know what is the meaning of this thing, but network, just only network, and I don't know. Yeah, if you can see that thing. So also we will, after we put the motherboard, we will check if there's a lot of error on this one, on this motherboard. So now you need to remove the motherboard, open this one, and we put the new board on this one. Gonna be a little bit tricky because I cannot properly close this one because of the very long battery inside of this thing. So we're gonna turn up this one and remove all remove the games and also the memory card. So I have here an 8 gig memory card. Oops, yeah, it's been removed. Yeah, this is an 8 gig memory card, and now we will proceed to what do you call it? Yeah, we proceed to replace the motherboard. So I'm gonna pause this one first and prepare this one to remove the motherboard. So okay, now I have here the Phillips screw to remove the to open this PS Vita, and now let's start disassembling this one.
Here and bow with the magnetic and this one, these two. Okay, then the four side screw. Okay. Now we try to open this one. And
Alright, if you can see, I have here the very long battery that I already modified on this one. This is gonna be a problem because it will hit on the motherboard if I try to close this one. If we can test this thing, let's have about this thing. That one, you can see it will hit the battery. For now, we need to just only, what I call it, try to remove the motherboard. You can see the motherboard is so very clean because yeah, it's still good condition, but the SoC on this thing is already dying. So now we need to remove this thing fast. So
then put this inside. It's gonna be very long. Okay, I already removed all the screw and the one that's hidden on the camera, so we need to lift this one. But make sure not to lift this at all because there's also a ribbon connector connecting for the LCD, so I think I need to remove this one first also. So okay, close this thing and we need to remove that thing. So there's some clip on here, clip, another clip in here, another clip in here. So there you go, everyone. Damn it, sometimes. Okay, about removing this one, you need to lift this one by this position. So sometimes it's... There you go. There's another clip in here. There's another flex that has a connection this thing, so we need to open like this. You can see. We need first to remove this, the LCD. There you go. And I think we need to remove also this one because it's hard to remove this part. So I'm trying to remove that other part, so we need to remove this one. It's a little bit tricky. Let's try to remove this thing. Oh yeah, this is the first camera. The camera. So I think we need to remove this thing first. And okay, this is the camera. The one that we need to remove. I think that's
one, there you go. So there you go. So yeah, this one, oops, That's the bracket. So if you can see, this is the motherboard. Let's see if this one is gonna be this one. There you go. So now you need to put this one to the chassis and the LCD. So bye bye to this one, but first we need to transfer the camera. So here goes the camera. Oh, where you go? There you go. First we need to, how can we open this one?
There you go. There you go. So we need to transfer the camera. Hey, this one is no clip. If you can see, this has a clip in here. I think it's gonna have one. Let's see, let's try. Oh, it's sorry, I never see that thing. Okay, so you open the clip. We try to put the camera. I need tweezer. Wait, I got a tweezer already. Then, let's see. Is that it? Oops. There we go. This already has the gold showing this one, and we need to lock it. So, okay, I don't have any green wrap on this thing, so I just need to lock this one in. Okay, that's all I need to transfer. Another thing is, oh, the front camera. I forgot the front camera, so I also had an bracket, and it has a sticky in this one, so wait first. Okay, and we do it. So, no one here to transfer it. Try to there you go. The already line on this thing is matched on this one, so we need to lock it. Then maybe I need some alcohol to clean this one because so damn. Okay, here. So we will put it right now. So we just only put this LCD connector to this one, to the LCD connector. And I think we, how about this? How about this? It's gonna be a little bit tricky to put this one in. But I think like this. Okay, like this. And we need to put the LCD flex. Oops, that's a bit tricky. There we go. Now we put it to the frame to make sure. We need to flash the camera. So, we need to flash it. There we go, flash it. And lock this thing. So, already been locked. Then we need to, okay, we need to put it back the other side controller button in. Oops. Okay. Seems pretty. Sorry. Okay, need to put the screw, the pink screw. This one is pink screw, supposed to be this one, this side. This side. Two of them. The figure's very wrong right now, but it's okay. Okay, the camera mount is supposed to be this one. Gotta be a little bit tricky to put this one. It's okay on the screw because the screw is all the same. Oops. Here goes the camera. And And we put this, what do you call it, the PS Vita, because the vertex. Okay, a little bit.
Okay, so I will not put all the screw first and also the other button on this thing. I just only need to try this one if this one is working or not. So here we go. So I cannot properly close this one because the PS Vita will never close because of this large battery on this one, this battery mode that I bought this one. So now we need to just temporarily manually close that thing, and I just only put the battery also and touch back touch, I think. Now it's already been connected, but I cannot properly close this one because of that large battery. So if you can see, it's hitting the battery. But now we can test this one if this one is working or not. Sorry for the dirty screen. And we try to power this on. Uh-oh, it's not powering on. So we need to try the charge method. This is also happen when I try to remove the battery on this one. So we need some power bank and his what do you call it, charger. So I know this one is, yeah, it's full charge. We try to power this one. Oops, let's see, it's charging already, and let's try to power this on. No, I think it's not powering on. Yep, let's see inside if all connected properly. Yeah, it's all connected properly, but it's not turning on. I think I have a defective motherboard that they already sent me, so I'm gonna pause the video first because it's been too long, and I will diagnostic this one if something's wrong with the motherboard that already sent it to me. If you can see, it's not booting up. So now I'm gonna pause the video first and make a troubleshoot on this one if something I missed connecting the other components on this thing. So okay, the PS Vita is already working right now, so I just only need to remove the board and reseat it again. Maybe the problem on the connection that I put on the motherboard is not seating well. So now it's working right now. So now we're gonna check if this PS Vita has a lot of error on this one. So we need to run this thing. So if you can see, It's like a new reset on this one. It's okay. So the system is, let's see, the system is, there's no such thing as system update first. So we go to the system and history error. So I think there's a lot of this thing also. Yeah, the C29419. So I think, yeah, this board I think is not good. I don't know if this one is gonna fail a lot. This is gonna be bad. Oh my god, yeah, it's an error. The C2 error, communication, SNL. I think this one is this 01 is a network. I think this one is an error for no GSM module. So that thing, I think that is the error. Go back, and this C1, I don't know what this thing. I think this one is connect to internet. I don't know. I can see right now. And this is the problem that I'm not supposed to be not happening to this one, because this problem is not correctly problem. It's, you can see 2016. Yeah, another one, error corrupt. An error has been corrupt. My psvita motherboard did not have that one, but this one, I don't know, it's a NAT type. I don't know what is this thing, error application. I think it's on the game, I don't know. And yeah, this one is just only PlayStation Network. It's okay, that's okay. I don't know, this one cannot display the page. I think this one is internet. And yeah, internet, and also an error, could not be access points. Yeah, access point, just only internet. So that's it. So now the problem, I cannot shut this thing and put it properly because the GSM module slot is heating the battery. So I think I need to replace the battery. The old battery of this thing, I cannot put the old battery of this thing because the battery, I don't know what happened, it's been leaking. I did not punch it. I did not just carefully remove the BMS on that thing, but when I put it in the storage, when I tried to check the battery is already smell bad, and it's not popping. But now that's a problem, so I need to remove the battery and replace the battery with a tiny one, because it will hit that GSM module, that one. If I try to remove that thing, it's gonna be too hard, because that I need hot air to remove that one. But I don't want to damage that thing. Maybe I will damage the traces if I remove that thing. So for now, my next goal on this thing is to replace the, what do you call it, the battery. So it seems it's working right now. Let's see if what is the system on this thing. Is system information is 3.5. so that's it. If you can see, it has an IUME number, but because it has no GSM module on this thing, it will not work. But it's okay. I needed the agency workers because this I just only play on the it shut down. I don't know what happened. So guys, that's all of this motherboard replacement. I don't know what happened. It's been shut down. Yeah, it's been shut down. I don't know, maybe I think things overheat, I don't know, but I think it's been removed on this thing. So that's all guys. This is the one that motherboard replacement of this PS Vita, and I will check this thing if this one is working fine or not. That's all. You can like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and maybe for the future we have another modification of this PS Vita. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.